Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the problem with your Shopify account where it says Shopify payments account is on hold by talking to customer support over at Shopify and basically appealing to fix the problem by alleviating this problem through some configuration on the back end. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this, it's quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account like I have here. So here's what my dashboard looks like. And the idea here is this is only something that they can do on their end, as we actually have no control over why we're not getting our payouts for our products over at Shopify. And so we basically want to appeal to Shopify support and have them fix a problem. And to actually make contact with support, you guys would want to click on the top right corner of the screen to get to your profile icon. So it's this little button right here. So when I go to click on it, you'll see that you'll have a bunch of different options to choose from. So there's your stores, there's help center, there's changelog, there's community forums, hire a Shopify partner, so on and so forth. So from here, you'd want to select help center from the drop down. And this should open up a new tab where you have the option to chat with a live agent or basically follow the steps on how to fix your Shopify. So here it is. Here's the chat box. And the idea here is we would want to get, we would like to be connected to a live agent. And to do so, you'd basically want to specify your problem. So you'd want to say something like payments account is on hold. So payment account is on hold, just like that. And you'll see that this page will actually change to, as you can see, Shopify payments account hold. So it'll tell you everything you need to know and the reason as to why this is happening. So as you can see here, if your Shopify payments account is on hold, check your email for the details from Shopify and respond directly to it, as you can also check your Shopify admin for any prompts about resolving this issue. Now, the next step is to click on chat with a support advisor, just like this, and basically Shopify will connect you to a live agent. Here we are. So we're waiting for a support advisor, and what's going to happen is we're going to share our issue with them, saying that our account's on hold and basically appeal to get a fix going. So yeah, that's all there is to it, really. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.